welcome to Ask a Cat Lady. This week's question comes from Michael, and he wants to know, what kind of diseases can humans catch from cats? No diseases, you're too cute to be diseased. No diseases here. Oh, just like whack-a-mole, right? Just kidding. So this one time I was really sick and I went to the doctor and my lymph nodes were really swollen and tender, and she told me that I had cat scratch fever. And I was excited because I thought that gave me lots of cat lady cred. And she hadn't heard of the song, which I thought was weird. She's from China. Since you made the inquiry, I'ma tell you a story of the zoonotic disease. If you are a child or elderly, immunocompromised with disease, then you are susceptible to these. But it's unlikely that you're gonna catch it unless you make a kitty angry and get bit, or hang around litter boxes where they poop. For starters, there's infection with bacteria like salmonella and cat scratch fever, and parasites will make you squirm when you find inside. Look around, worms next in line, all the protozoan single cell badass organisms, and this one spreads from poop, and that's the grossest. It's our friend toxoplasmosis, but it's unlikely that you're gonna catch it unless you make a kitty angry and get bit, or hang around litter boxes where they defecate. Rabies, babies, get out 'cause you weren't invited. Maybe that's what they said when we vaccinate against the virus, but it's unlikely that you're gonna catch it unless you're hanging around angry cats and get bit, or the litter box where they like to do number 2. It's unlikely that you're gonna catch it unless you hang around a kitty and get bit, or the litter boxes where they Speaking of disease, little Javert here, he had ringworm. It was so cute. It was a little crusty ear, and no, you can't. It's getting better now, but you can see how he doesn't have so much fur on there. We put Vagisil on it. I thought that was cool.